Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 Toyota RAV4 LE equipped with all-wheel drive. Under the hood sits a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 176 horsepower and 172 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 17-inch steel wheels with hubcaps and heated power adjustable mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have 38.4 cubic feet of trunk space, which expands up to 73.4 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our heated front seats, as well as our OEM all-weather floor mats. Also equipped are automatic headlight controls with automatic high beams, as well as forward collision alert, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's backup camera. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have remote entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding and reclining rear seats.